了就会马上
实
跟
用的 AI 售房子，所以他拿钱的这个多回这边录。
As AI enters the age of intelligent agents, branding is becoming a question of trust, speed, and digital sovereignty. On April 30th, GCIT held a professional advising session featuring Sharon Wu, Managing Director of Singapore-based SMEbig AI Branding Private Limited. The session did not treat AI only as a tool for content generation. Instead, it focused on how businesses can build new branding systems in the AI era. Sharon explained the shift from generative AI to agentic AI. She showed how AI can support brand strategy, market analysis, customer communication, and business decision-making. She also compared AI branding applications across different countries. Through real cases, she explained how AI can reduce marketing costs, increase execution speed, improve customer return rates, and strengthen data-driven decisions. During the student interaction session, one student asked how her advertising background led her to entrepreneurship and AI branding consulting. Sharon shared her journey and emphasized that AI transformation still requires human judgment, strategic thinking, and workflow innovation. This lecture connected classroom learning with industry practice. It also reflected GCIT's emphasis on interdisciplinary thinking, global communication, and practical innovation in understanding AI-driven transformation.
Master's Program in Global Communication and Innovation Technology, NCCU.